guys, my name is Asma and today I'm making a simple sunset silhouette cake that you can make for your family on Eid. If you're new here, welcome to this channel. I make and decorate cakes here, so if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and join me on my caking adventure. Eid Mubarak everybody. Eid is only one day away and I hope your Ramadan went really well. I'm so excited for Eid. I love our Eid celebration, spending time with my family the entire day, and I think my sister even ordered a bouncy castle this year, so I'm super excited. And this year I'm making a sunset silhouette cake that's super easy that you can also make for your family on Eid. I started by leveling my vanilla cakes and cutting off the caramelization from the bottom for a total of 5 1-inch cakes. I simple syrup this cake and put it aside to let it soak in. This time I actually made Italian meringue buttercream and I added some cookie butter in there because I love cookie butter, but while you're fasting, this smell is killer. I used my handy dandy cake boards for this cake because I wanted to make sure that it was straight. You put one board on the bottom and one board on the top to use as a guide. Then you fill and layer your cakes. I have a whole video on how I do this and you can find that video by clicking on the I above. I trimmed my cakes to fit within the boards and gave the cake a crumb coat and put it in the fridge to chill. Big news guys, I'm so excited to tell you that I've collaborated with Yolanda Gent from the How to Cake It Step by Step channel, and I made a brand new cake on their channel of Jack from The Incredibles. I think he turned out adorable and I'm so happy to now be a part of the How to Cake It family. For those of you who've already seen the video, you have shown me so much love and support already and I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so happy to be a part of this CakeTube community and the How to Cake It family. You guys are amazing. If you haven't yet seen that video, please go watch it and let me know in the comments what you think. I colored my icing to look like sunset colors. They didn't turn out exact. It's hard to color Italian or Swiss meringue buttercream. A little trick I use is to add a little bit of icing sugar to make the colors stand out a little bit more. Another tip I can give you is to use the same bowl for mixing your colors. As long as you go from light to dark, you're all good. The less dishes, the better. I started piping all around the cake, starting with a lot more yellow at the bottom. There'll be a silhouette at the bottom, so I don't want to put too little yellow or it'll be covered. Go all the way up in rows however you like, adding orange, red, purple, and blue. I used my clear acrylic bench scraper to take off the excess icing. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't love how this was turning out. The lines were a little bit too rigid for me for a sunset, and the icing was weirdly melting on me because it was a hot day. So I remade some icing, I recolored it, and I started to put it back on with the spatula instead of piping bags so I could get a little bit more of a mixture in between. It didn't really look like a sunset, but it kind of looked a little bit artsy, abstract-y, and I was kind of digging it, so I left it. Once cooled, I used a spatula to remove the board from the top. If you want a more in-depth video on how to use these boards, let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Now that your cake is ready, it's time to make your silhouettes. I printed some random images that I found on the internet of a mosque or a skyline. This would work with any skyline. I rolled out some black fondant and started to cut out shapes with my X-Acto knife. Then I just put them all around the bottom of the cake. Ta-da! For the top of the cake, I put some of my leftover blue icing in a piping bag with a 1M tip and made little swirls along the top of the rim of the cake. I wanted to make little stars, so I used tiny little nonpareils and threw them all over the cake along with tiny little white moon. To top it off, I got this adorable cake topper from Etsy that says Eid Mubarak, a perfect finish. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And last year I also made a crescent moon cake for Eid that you can check out right over here. And of course, don't forget to check out my Jack cake that I made on the How to Cake It Step by Step channel right over here. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys all have a wonderful Eid tomorrow and see you next week. Bye.